Okay, and this is starting point. We have to start working that as area, and we have to open that inner fender because there are bolts inside in that area. And let's go to look that when I move this area, that what we can see. Okay, and now when we look this area, there is a bolt, 10mm bolt in here, that one. And I have to open this bolt next. And it is 10mm, and I will open that. Okay, and there is this my target, and there is my 10mm bolt, and in here I take this bolt and screw away. Okay, and then when screw is away, I can take this upper part away, and we can look at lower part in here next. Okay, and then we can look that area, because here we have second screw in here, and I need to open this screw also in here. Okay, and now when we look in this down area, this bolt is in here, in that area. And I open also this bolt. Okay, and there is also this screw, and it opens nicely. Okay, and then when these two screws are away, I can separate these things in that way. And now this front bumper, it moves quite nicely. And I have to take in same screws in another side also away. And let's go to check that area. This is like right side, and now I open this screw and this upper screw also, and then we can go forward when I have opened also these two screws. Okay, and then when I have removed these two screws in that area and in also two screws in that right side, then I can take this my front bumper away, so that I only carefully I move that, and now we can see that this front bumper start to move. But then in here, in that area, in this up area, we have to next look this area, because there are a couple of fasteners. Okay, and in here we can see that there are those plastic, these fasteners, and these screws what I have to take out in here, and then in the central area. And in the central area we have also screw similar, and now these are free. In here we have one of these fasteners. And now this up area is free, and we can go to look is down. Okay, and now when this movement is free, we can go to look in this down area, and we can start to open these joints in that way. That I little bit like I bend over, and now this whole part opens. And now this whole front bumper opens, and